it's Shama Maher, CEO of Scaling Retail, and today we're going to talk about foreign policy and how foreign policy may affect your fashion business plan. Now, this is a loaded question because foreign policy seems to be something that can change at the drop of a pin. Certainly in today's political climate, we never know if there's going to be a trade war, some tariffs, and other types of things that we have to think about when we're starting to build out our business models. Now, when you're looking at building out your fashion business plan, you certainly want to take into consideration what kind of global distribution you're going to be looking at, and also where you're going to be producing and manufacturing. Definitely on a year-to-year basis, you might find slight changes in terms of how foreign policy might change your customs, your duties, import taxes, as well as exporting taxes. However, while these might have some small changes to your business model, you definitely want to keep in mind that, guys, it's not going to make a huge impact at the end of the day. Unless you're in a big commodity space where you're importing and dealing with steel these days, importing and exporting your small to medium-sized fashion business, if you do it intelligently and with the use of operations consultants and the right 3PL and freight forwarders, you'll find yourself actually coming out okay on a year-to-year basis. So while it might seem a little crazy that foreign policy seems to be changing, do keep in mind, guys, that if you have the right consult, if you have the right advice, it'll impact you, but likely not so much that you'll have to make huge changes to your fashion business plan. All right, guys, when you're ready for that advice to take it a step further, to be able to help impact and create a great fashion business plan, please make sure you email us at hello@scalingretail.com. We've helped lots of businesses launch and grow. We're certainly used to dealing with the effects and what foreign policy changes might mean to your business. I'm telling you guys, with some businesses, we've helped them save thousands of dollars when it comes to shipping, imports, and exports. So make sure you shoot us an email, and in the meanwhile, please follow us on Instagram at Scaling Retail and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear how you are shaping your fashion business plan with today's political and foreign policy climates. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.